Bend Wise Moms with a video on how to caramelize onions. The first thing is to get your onions. If you grow them yourself, they are ready when the onion tops start to turn a little yellow and bend over to the ground. After pulling them up, cut off the tops and wash and clean them. Cut off the bottom and the outside skin. If you use store-bought onions, cut off the top as well. Cut the onions in half. By doing this, each half onion has a flat side that you can put down on your cutting board to slice them. It makes it much easier. When you're done slicing, separate the onions. Then measure your butter. I'm using 1/4 cup of butter for the equivalent of the size of about 2 store onions. Put your butter in the pan on medium heat and let it melt. After it is melted, you're going to put the onions in and stir them around. You're going to leave your burner on medium heat and just saute the onions for a long time. This is what it looks like after about 5 minutes. This is what it looks like after about 10 minutes. After 15 minutes. After 20 minutes. After 25 minutes. Now it's going to take between 25 and 35 minutes probably to get them done. After 30 minutes and after 35 minutes. And then you're done. Taste one to see how much sweeter it is. I used my caramelized onions to make French onion soup. Thanks for watching.